Thank you so much for downloading the Lawyer PPC Playbook. This book that you've just gotten access to contains years of lessons learned through painstaking failures in both marketing and sales. I actually got into this business from pretty big failure when I spent 8 months putting together an ebook called Worry 180, which was a 4-module training program that I thought if I built this amazing training program, everyone would just flood in and buy it, but I was terribly wrong. And for the past 5 years, I've been on an obsessive quest to master this thing called sales and marketing. Now, 5 years ago, if you were to have told me that I'd be running one of the fastest growing legal marketing companies for lawyers in the United States, I'd tell you you're crazy. It's a niche that we really stumbled upon through word of mouth and some referrals. We were actually doing home services marketing for contractors at first, and we started doing really good work in personal injury, divorce, criminal defense, employment law, quite a few niches of PI and the retainer-based niches. And in this book contains, just last year we spent over $3 million on Google ads for our 75 or so clients nationwide. And this book contains all of the lessons we learned. There's about 15 things we've learned are vital if you want to have your PPC campaigns become a consistent case generation system for you on Google Ads. Things from your landing page load speed to your mobile landing page layout to how you're making decisions on conversion actions. Lots of vital things, time of day bidding. A lot of that is in this book. So before you go and think you can just use Google's interface to create your campaign and guess as you go, I'm telling you, you are going to waste a lot of money if you do not follow the principles that we've put into this playbook. So super excited for you to get started in the playbook. Keep on a lookout for these emails that are going to be coming. We're going to try and provide you some value as you're going through the playbook. Thank you again for downloading it. I'm excited to serve you from tons of failure. So thank you.